What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Straight 6 Auto Parts. Again, we're here in beautiful California as always. So, and today we have again something special for you. 2016 BMW M235. Why it's so special? Kind of M. It's not actual M though. It's got a red interior in it. The car came to us from Houston and it has 55,000 miles on it only. So the car looks pretty good. And as you can see, that's the damage right here. Yeah, I know you don't see it, but that's the damage to the headlight, to the passenger side door, and basically that's it. It doesn't look like scary, but the problem is everything got damaged. We have damaged hood, have damaged headlight, we have damaged front bumper, and I assume we have damaged the front, like the core support. So let's get to the car closer and I will show you all the details. As I already mentioned, here is our damage to the hood right here, just a little bit, but it's damaged. Headlight got cracked as well. It is working, I mean it's good, it works, but it's damaged. Front bumper a little bit damaged right here. Yeah, definitely cracked. The kidney grill in here as well. This side is good. This headlight is beautiful, no questions. This is the M Sport version, like the M235. That's why it's got M Sport wheels and blue brakes, blue calipers, like the blue BMW M Performance calipers in the front and on the back. On the back, we had to put those ugly wheels from 1 Series. Why ugly? Because they painted, but it's the 1 Series. Actually, it's the M Sport 1 Series wheels, which is nice. So the other cool feature that I noticed about the M235, it doesn't matter what color of the car you have, the mirrors always gonna be silver. I saw it the same kind of thing on the 335is previous generation, like the E92, E93. No matter what color of your car, mirrors are gonna be black. Same thing in here, but silver. So, and as we can see, this M235, it's like the dark chrome, like the gunmetal thing, something. And also M Performance exhaust. Yes, that's this. And it's, oh wait, damn, it's not the M Performance exhaust, it's just straight pipes. What a shame. BMW, I mean, not the BMW, but previous owner. Anyway, let's keep going. So, 2 Series is pretty much the same size as the 1 Series, like that one. And here is another 2 Series that we have. That's actually M240, which is almost the same, but LCI version of it, of this one. This side is perfect except of the mirror. Mirror is missing for some reason. So let's get inside. Inside we have beautiful mint condition red interior. Yes, look at it. Woo! And it's the power like adjustable. M235 door seals right here. Red door panels, no wear in it whatsoever. Couple scratches on this trim, but in condition of the door panel itself, beautiful. Headlights off. What's it called? The aluminum kind of trim. M Sport steering wheel. It doesn't look at 55,000 miles, or it does look. A little bit wear on it, but still overall good condition. Then we have 2016 navigation. It's the NBT, but look at the screen. What was happened to the screen? Sun exposure or something, heat exposure? Maybe, something, I don't know. So let's jump on the back. We have key, we have black headliner, since this is the M Sport kind of version of it. Let's jump on the back. Actually, I just noticed we have that nice small spoiler on the back. Doors, comfort access, not the doors but door handles. Here on this side we have dashboard with aluminum trim. Also on 2 Series I noticed on pre-LCI version and an LCI version, dashboard is different. On pre-LCI you have trim on this side, on LCI version you have trim in the middle, like in here. So seats, non-heated seats, that's gonna be it. Automatic transmission, non-heated steering wheel, the instrument cluster with those displays, the small one in here. What else we have in here? Hi-fi, not even hi-fi, just a regular sound system, just 2 speakers in the front and that's it. No speakers on the back, just 2 of them on the rear deck. So that's gonna be pretty much it as far as the condition of the car. Also, we got the black shadow line for 2 Series. Will it be the same for 1 Series, I'm wondering? Probably not. That's the 1 Series right there. Kind of looks similar, but I think it's different. So the car runs, but we cannot drive it. Why? Because the car came with no key and we had to swap the DME module, FEM module key from the other car. So right now we have unknown mileage on the cluster. I mean, we know the mileage from the title and we know the mileage from the original cluster, not the cluster but ECU, but from new one we don't see it. We were able to start the car, but we don't have anything working properly as far as the electronics. Seats are good, windows are good, and basically that's it. Instrument cluster is just going crazy. Everything else is the same. I cannot turn on the heater, I cannot turn off heater. Headlights are good. Basically I did check everything that I need. Music is good. So I think we are ready to get the car inside and we'll see what we can find on M235 compared to, let's say, 135 M235 engine and compared to 335 F30 body style. So let's get the car inside and we will keep going from there. Let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are inside. Car is in the middle of its process. Like, we did the interior and we put the car on the lift. We almost did the interior, let's say this way, because so we got pretty much everything out except of the black headliner. F22 black headliner is gonna be available soon. Got the dashboard out, everything is out. Needs to get seat belts out. We will take them out once we have it. We'll take the B pillars out, and also black shadow line, that's something that's gonna be out as well. Get the front wheels out because I had to take out the front bumper for one of our customers. He was asking for the pigtail from this side that's connected to the horn and parking sensors. So I got that out, and yes, I totally forgot to show you, it's already packed. Red interior for F22 is available now. Moreover, we have E92 red interior available for you guys. 4 Series convertible available as well. Red interior for E93 convertible, like the 3 Series, 328, 335 available as well. So E92, E93, F22, F33 red interiors available. Besides that, we have F80 competition interior cloth and F80 competition interior leather. In addition to that, black interior, brown interior for E92 as well. So we have a lot of cool interiors in here, and we have some of them sold. So 2 seats are going out on Monday. I don't remember, I believe taxes. Yeah, I think so. S55 block just laying around in here. Manual transmission swap for E92. I mean E90, E92, E93, whatever you have, complete swap. Manual interior, manual transmission is available, it's still available. So if you're still looking for that, we have it in stock. DM us on Instagram and we will get you that. So I think that's gonna be it for today. We will just go home and be back tomorrow. We'll continue working on that M235 and pull that engine out for you. We'll see as far as the suspension, what else. Actually, let's do it now. Let's jack the car up and we'll see what's under it, because as I remember, we had some kind of cool exhaust. Let's see. Okay, the car is up. Before we will get under the car, we got those nice calipers. I think it's 340, not 370. Don't see it in here, maybe in here? No, I don't see any numbers in here yet. So we need to remove them and clean it up a little bit. So in 2 Series, we have everything unique at the bottom. 2 cutouts to keep the engine cool. Let's keep going. What was here? Yep, they deleted the resonator from the middle. How do you call it, that thing? And here is our exhaust. What a shame. Why would you even like do the straight pipes if you have nice M performance exhaust on 2 Series? Like, why? What is this? Why? Like, why? Keep that exhaust. It's M performance exhaust. Keep it like on it. They didn't even put the tip properly. It's like twisted. Hey, whatever. Everything stock from under the car, as I can see right now. Let's actually take a look. We still have, yeah, stock downpipe is still there, so it's good. Let's go home and be back tomorrow. Actually, before we will go home, let me show you guys what we have here on the parking. It's just a lot of cars. 3, 6, 7, you cannot even count them. 5, 6, 7 and 7, 14, 15, 16 and 17 on the lift. 17 cars. Oh, there is another one on our like the project car. So today we got that M5, got that M235, another one. We still got that 240 in here. Then we got diesel 335. That's our project car, if you remember. Let's go and take a look at the nice sunset. So we have pretty much everything ready. We'll just need to take out those main bolts from the rear subframe. The whole rear, actually that side is almost out, and we'll do the other side now. Okay guys, so we're in the middle of the process of doing that 235, and let's have a look what we've done so far. So a lot of random parts in here, radiator with the fan, complete thing. This is actually a round one, which means 800 watt the fan. It can be 650, it can be 800. 650 it's the square one, 800 is the round one. Have some other random parts in here from the suspension, intercooler in here, and let's have a look in here. So we prepared pretty much everything. We just need to get the water pump out, couple more lines, we'll take the sway bar out, and I think that's gonna be pretty much it. We will have everything ready to drop off the engine, clean up a little bit in here, clean up the harness from here, and we will take it out. Meanwhile, we have radiators draining in here with the expansion tank. We will definitely keep the hood. It's got some damage on that side a little bit, just a corner thing, but it's fixable. I don't think if you will not even paint it, you can just pull it back out. So here is our steering rack. We will take the tie rods out, and it's gonna be easier, cheaper, and trying to do better for you guys. Rear axles, they still complete. Why? Because one of our, what's it called, the bearing, not bushing puller, is on the way from somewhere, I don't know. I ordered it and we still have it on the way, but in the old one it didn't work for some reason. Here is to have a set of wheels. Then we have manual swap for E92 N54 engine. I don't know why we still have it in here, still have it available. I don't know why it's not picked up yet. So yeah, let's keep going. We will get the engine out pretty much, and the car is gonna be done. We'll have some tough out from the interior. Gonna get the black headliner out, and that's going to be it. I forgot to mention, we didn't find anything, any aftermarket parts, everything stock, everything. So nothing to show you even, just a bare stock M235. Let's keep going. And we're back into our warehouse, and so we pretty much finished that M235. It's ready to go to the junkyard, and yeah, basically nothing left. We also installed the door from the M5, the one that's on the lift already. Custom door, because this door was missing or something was happened to it. Oh no, it was good, we kept it. So then we have a lot of random stuff inside of the car that we're not taking from it, that's damaged. And also here is our engine from M235. So as I've heard, the engine from M235, it's got forged pistons. I don't know if it's true. If you guys know that, let me know in comments below, because it's kind of cool if this engine would be with forged parts in it. So it's still N55 from F22. Need to find out that one. The turbocharger is still the same for N55. This one is electric Westgate, which is good. We need those. And here is the good example how you guys need to maintain your engine. Look how shiny it is. Everything looks clean. 55,000 miles, and that's how it's supposed to look at any mileage, basically, if you change the oil on time. Not like 10,000 miles, not 15, not 20, not 50,000 miles, at least like 5,000 miles. Of course, it would be better if you would do like 3,000. But not every single driver can afford change the oil every 3,000 miles, because you can get the car for like 1,500 bucks, the 335, but to maintain it, it's gonna take you a lot of money. We're gonna get this engine done in like a couple minutes, not couple minutes, maybe 30 minutes. The car is gonna go to the scrapyard, and yeah, so if you will need any parts from that M235. They all unique for 2 Series, the body panels, everything. I know how hard to find it. You're more than welcome to give us a call or DM us on Instagram, Straight 6 Auto Parts. We're gonna post it on eBay as well. You can, if you follow us on eBay store, that's good. You can see all of those parts there. That's gonna be it as far as this car. We will jump on the next one, and the next one is gonna be the cool one. Kind of scary. Well, actually, already started parting it out. And it's that 2015 M5 with 52,000 miles on it. The damage is everywhere. This car was like a rollover. Pretty scary damage, but that's what we deal with every single day. Trying to buy good cars, but sometimes it happens like that. That's gonna be it for today, and I will see you in the next video. That one. Let's go.